Hi everybody, it's AJ Country here at the Westmorland Fair out in Pennsylvania. First we got a WD, Alice Chalmers, a Farmall Super M, very nice 630, Farmall 460, Alice Chalmers WC, another Alice Chalmers WC, an International BN, the one I brought to the show, Ford 960 that I brought to the show, Alice Chalmers B, John Deere L, John Deere 3020, Farmall Cub, Alice Chalmers Garden Tractor, a couple internationals, John Deere, got a Case 530, more there, Alice Chalmers WD, Farmall C, John Deere. I don't know what this Farmall is. I'm not too positive about that one. Then we got a Fordson with an amazing winch on this. Big winch on that one right there. Silver King. And starting on the other side, Speed X, Massey Harris plow, a Ford 9N, Alice Chalmers right there, Wheel Horse, Farmall A, John Deere A, Farmall 560, a couple other garden tractors over here, lots of Alice Chalmers, Panzer, Farmall Cub, another Farmall Cub, another Farmall Cub, a 435 diesel, a 530, and a nice John Deere 50. And then starting our next side over here, Massey Harris 30, John Deere 40, a 600 series Ford, then on the other side we have a Farmall Cub with, I think it's a blue planter, I think it's planters, a 284 International, and a very nice MTA. Man, is that thing nice right there. Then we're gonna start inside the shop. got motocross going on over here at the Westmorland Fair. And the Miss engines on the floor. John Deere baler, 14T. Alice Chalmers baler, it's a round baler. Manure spreader. Weighing station. Milking equipment. Another manure spreader. A couple seeders. Original wood on it. That's always really nice to see. Somebody took care of them. Pop bottles. Old cashiers. More milk bottles. Other equipment over here. More milking equipment. More milk bottles. Tin boxes that came to your door with the milk in it. Typewriters. More stuff over here, some bricks. Got a lot of model cars. Washers. Old sewing machine. Other stuff here. Model cars. Egg equipment. Small baby chick. Incubator. Separate your eggs from the biggest, largest, and medium size, small. That's where you buy your eggs. On the other side over here. Got some more bottles. Some really unique belt buckles. Oil cans. Some blacksmith stuff. Tools. Pedal cars. Tractors as well. Some old Coca-Cola machines. A very unique thing, if you should come here, if you do, is to check out some of the old history of the Westmorland Fair itself, how it started. We have some old things about it. It's very amazing what they put together. It's amazing. Some old bags. Lots of other old drills, soldering equipment. Well, not much soldering, but a lot of drills, stuff for wood. Corn shellers. Chainsaws. Stuff for flour. Put the flour in the bag. More chainsaws. A wagon. And we got a potato stuff over here. Cool potato planters. Very antique. Motor plows. Apple cider press. And it still all works. A 100-year-old John Deere corn planter. Ain't that amazing? Old hit and miss engine. Alright, making our way back over there. Got cedar, I think. Another cedar. Older one though. 1880 cedar. An original McCormick Deering Reaper. Which is amazing that this is still here. And a lot of it is the original wood. Ford motor can up there, a couple other motor cans. Very amazing. And we got a baler that you don't see too often. It's a Roanoke hay baler with a Wisconsin motor on it, which is very neat to see. Got a couple big new idea equipment. Universal, big sign. Stuff there. I think this is a older thresher machine, or if it's different than that, please let me know. And back with the 14T John Deere and all the small pin miss engines. This one's an international one that we don't know of. And another one down there on the floor.
Mine is more the I don't want to.
Sawing equipment, cutting wood. Almost like an oil or gas pump. Round bell. And we're back where we started. If you liked watching my videos, and it really does help if you do like and subscribe. I'm not saying you have to, but it's really nice if you can, and it helps out a lot. It really does. And it also helps you see what other new content I have for my channel and every place I go to. So thank you, and that's AJ Country here at Westmorland Fair in Pennsylvania. Bye.